update. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour and you guys can see what I've done so far.
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me.
So it's one day before I move. Document the whole process and see if you guys enjoy seeing the change around between the place that I have now and the place that I will have starting tomorrow. I currently have a 1-bedroom, 1 bath, and I just have so much stuff, and I want special spaces for the stream room and workout station. A lot of new things that I want to set up all over the house. I have a stationary bike that I also want to set up for like to do some cardio every once in a while on stream. So it's going to be really exciting stuff. I'm really stoked to have a place with more room. It's sort of maybe unnecessary. I could downgrade and get less stuff, but honestly, where's the fun in that? If you enjoy vlogs like this one, I want to do more of them, so please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can catch more content like this. Let's get back to the video. Like, look at all these boxes that I just have sitting here. Look at the boxes that I have like up at the top, the Piplup head in the back. This is my room. The stream setup. See, I have boxes everywhere, all over the place. I want to remodel this and make it look so much better in the new spot. My room is just filled with things that I would like for them to be more organized. Separating the stream room from the bedroom, honestly. Giving myself some more privacy. One quick thing to note, I regret not putting something down on the carpet to stop the chair from basically squishing the carpet. It's really thin where the chair is, and that's something I need to do in the new apartment because I don't want to ruin 2 carpets. But I look forward to having a lot more space, to being able to spread out this stuff a little bit more and make it look more visible. All right, my mom is here, but she went out to the other apartment to clean it up and do some tidying up. There's like bugs on the floor and stuff, disinfecting the countertops and stuff. We made pizza tonight. It was absolutely delicious. That came out super good. My place has not changed from the last piece of the video, but it will on the next one as I start taking a bunch of stuff down from the wall. Actually, the goal is more so to like take the big stuff over there and then the little things. We have like 3 days to move, and frankly, it's not that much. Spoiler, it probably is much more than that. I'm moving into my new place today. Woke up and started moving stuff around. I've already gotten stuff out of the shower and the bathroom. The bathroom's starting to get empty. Gotta start taking the stuff off from the walls, and the priorities are in place over there at the new apartment. Okay, I'm in the new apartment. Some changes. The microwave is finally on up on the wall or whatever. It's not on the counter, which is awesome. It gives me so much more counter space. Then the counter space that I have next to the oven and the sink is huge compared to what I have now. So big upgrade. This is the single bathroom because this is supposedly the guest room. Let me show you how close my current apartment is. That's my apartment right there. And we're moving to this one. And this is gonna be the stream room. It's much bigger. It's supposed to be the main room, but I want this one as the stream room. All of the patio stuff, I literally just walked over. The patio stuff is just the dumbbells and my barbell. But since my apartment's just right there, I took it from the outside patio to this one. Easy peasy. We have made 0 progress in the kitchen. However, the closet is almost completely clean except for the unit. Never mind. The casting couch, which used to be behind me on stream, has been in the closet for far too long. It should not be able to go in the guest room, or rather the stream room. I gotta take that and then this will be done. We are getting really close to getting a lot of things off the wall. Guess that side's still not done, but we're streaming. Say hello to the Twitch chat. Hello, Twitch chat. Goku's helping a lot. He's ran away 2-3 times just to make sure he gave me a break in the action, moving. Of course, a little bit of fast forward, and we are, oh my God, look at the cute magnets. I didn't even know that. My mom must have got me those, or my grandma or something. But my mom's already been like cleaning up, and she's been putting stuff away so things are not just all over the place. This is gonna be my bedroom. Showing you guys already. There's the golf bags. That's where my bed will go. I'm gonna put the mirror there. Got some pillows down there. My body pillow down there. And over here in the game room, starting to get filled out with all the stuff that's gonna be in the game room. Brand new snowboard, let's fucking go. And all my swords and pip up and stuff. So we got a lot of organizing to do. Some of this stuff's also going in that room. A little closer look at the magnets. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, Superman. These are awesome. Love those. My mom has organized the entire kitchen so nicely. We've got a lot more stuff over here now. And definitely a lot more in the room. We've got a lot of things in here. The couch is in the position it's gonna be, so that's nice. The snowboard is in the position it's gonna be. Funkos are not, obviously. A lot of stuff is getting done. I have to use the restroom, so I better end this video. It is now almost just turned 11 p.m. I just threw away a piece of furniture that Goku literally tore to shit. It just looks ugly, and there's a new setup that I have going on in my living room that I've never had before. I'm excited to show you guys that. Crazy how that's my apartment right there, and that used to be my apartment. It's literally just right there. My sleeping room. Oh, it's coming together now. Shout out to my friend Carlo who gave me this idea of putting the couch in the center. So you have this big, wide open area to walk through. Yeah, it's really good. It's coming together a lot. Mom is still here. Goku has run out like 4 times now. There's a lot of cool stuff. I kind of put this out here. I used to have that in my bedroom. This room is just so spacious. I ended up just putting all my Funko Pops over here in the meantime. Open that bike up later. My chair. Finally at the desk over. This was the last thing I just did. It's not too long ago. You go right in the center of the room. There's all the gear I gotta put on. I did it, worked hard and got the PC set up, and a lot of things are in place. Technically, where they sort of kind of ought to be. Lots to do when I get back from New York, but I can't wait to go. What's most important, everything is out of the old place and the move has gone by smoothly. I couldn't ask for more. Shout out to my mom and my friends. Last day of my mom being here, she is helping me take care of a lot of stuff. Yes, that's still there. Can't wait to put this together though. Moving in process has been easy. In general, I'm pretty happy, especially considering I'm going to New York. I'm in Austin the next 4 or 5 days. I'm having some dinner, some lunch now. Dinner. I'm taking my mom to the Bright Line after. We have an Amazon package to deliver, and then I'm gonna hit the gym tonight and then get started on packing. Yeah. Oh my God, it is like 10 days later, update. I've gotten a lot more stuff done around the house, so it looks a little bit better than the end of that last bit. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour and you guys can see what I've done so far. Looks good, been looking good. So far, I've got the stuff down here all set up, or at least this is best I can do. In the meantime, I put up the flag, then I put up the Dragon Ball poster. I left Vegeta on the floor because I don't have a way to really hang him up. I really just made this room look a little bit more organized to a certain extent. I should say that it is perfect the way I like it, the way it is. I also got the carpet on the floor. I've sort of got a little camera setup already going on here. This room is looking much better than it was before. It's definitely getting closer to being organized, which I really like. Soon I'll be able to get this a little bit more organized too. Super happy that I got the bike set up. More than anything, that box was driving me crazy. Of course, I had all the Funko Pops like set up in a way where they were just stacked on top of the bike. So I ended up just putting them here in the meantime. Again, I feel like I need something for that wall because I definitely don't want to hang and leave the Funkos there. I want to put them in that room. I just haven't quite figured out what I'm gonna do with it yet. Camera, I got a couple things I want to do to the computer setup before I finish it up. Regardless, everything's looking really good. Let's show you a little bit of the kitchen. Kitchen is amazing. I actually don't think the kitchen really has anything different. Last time you guys saw it, everything looks the same from the exterior. I don't know if I want those cans up there. I gotta make them all at least look forward correctly. My mom just put them up there as a place hanger. But yeah, the kitchen is pretty much almost done. I'm moving some stuff around inside the cabinets, but you can't see that. My room does look a lot nicer also. TV is up, I have the mirror there. Roku wants my attention really, really bad. I am, of course, super happy that I've got the blackout curtains put up. I also put up my little friend board and sort of like goals board over there. Things I want to do before I die type stuff. Gonna try this weekend to get a chair that fills up that space right there. I want to use that as a way to make content where I have the light shining on me or sort of changing depending on what I want the light to. It'll really change the vibe of some videos, and I think it'll make it come out really good. I still have some stuff I want to hang up, but I just haven't figured out where I want to hang it. But it's looking really nice. I'm really happy to be moved in. It's looking really nice, and I'm super happy. It's nice. This is supposedly the guest bathroom, but that's not making sense. In the long haul, I need the other bathroom to be the guest bathroom and not have any of my stuff, and this bathroom to be where I have all of my stuff. That makes more sense, except for the showering. I want to shower in that shower, in the other room shower. And honestly, this is why. This has a tub. I wouldn't mind, except that I hate having to step over that. Check out how cool the graphic is of Zorro. The vibes are coming in. I did put up the Beatles poster. Also, I don't know if that's what I want to go there. Let me show you this bathroom. So this is the bathroom I want to shower in, purely because it's a standing shower. That's the only reason I want to do that. I put up this nice little shelf right here. I also put up some stuff to hang my shampoos and all that. So I've been working really hard. I've been really busy. I have all of this stuff in here that I have not. This closet is an absolute mess. For example, this is supposed to be like my cosplay room, and you can see shit's just everywhere. Not even gonna mention all the boxes back here. Look at this. This is just crazy. That's the first time I try a 0.5 with this gimbal looking thing. So, but this is what this room is supposed to be for. Overall, I'm really happy. Although I will be honest, it is causing me some anxiety about the rent. But hopefully I get to live comfortably and really happily. I'm using videos like this to keep myself accountable and make sure that I'm posting regularly on YouTube. Maybe you don't enjoy this content, but if you do, make sure you hit the like button, leave me a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Do all of the things. My name is Andres, but you can call me bro. And until next time, peace. If you're enjoying this video, remember to absolutely and without a freaking doubt, hit the like button and leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Let's get back to the action.